What's going on, guys? Ryan here, and today I'm going to show you 5 everyday things that you're doing wrong. First thing that you're doing wrong, well, that you don't even do in the first place, but you should be doing, it's making your bed. Now you want to start off by taking everything off your bed except for the sheets. Then you want to fix the fitted sheet if it came out from underneath the bed. Separate the comforter from the top sheet. Take the sheet and pull it to the top, make it all nice, straight, and perfect. Then you want to pull the comforter to the top, but make sure that you leave room for the top sheet to fold over the comforter. Make sure to do this to both sides. After doing it to both sides, just make sure that the bottom of the bed, the sheets are underneath the mattress, and the sides of the sheets are as equal as it can be. Then after all that, fold the fitted sheet over the comforter. Start adding your pillows. Make sure that your most used pillow is in the middle, followed by the next most used, and then lastly your decoration pillows, which in this case are the red ones. Make it look nice. You're trying to present your bed like it's in a hotel room, even though no one but you is sleeping in it. And that is how you do it the proper way. Next up is cereal. You want to first get your supplies out and the type of cereal you want. In this case, it's Cocoa Puffs. Then get your milk, fat-free. That's the only kind of milk you can use if you want to be proper. Then take your milk and start to... Wait, you think I'm a savage? No! Get your cereal, pour it in the bowl, and make sure you fill it all the way up. Overfill it, son! Then add your fat-free milk. Don't add too much, just enough that you can see it. Now this one might be the one that no one even thinks about, but I can tell you most of the time, you're doing it wrong. Taking a shower. Now you want to make sure that you lock the door and put the fan on. Yours might be a switch rather than a timer, but put that fan on for ventilation. You don't want mold to grow in your bathroom. Turn on your shower to get the desired temperature. Mine is a little over halfway. Then you want to get naked and get in. Start off by getting your whole body wet, including but not limited to your hair, your body, your face. Then you want to get out your shampoo. I have my 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Get it all over your hair and deep in the roots. Now while that's soaking your hair, get your body wash. Now for me it's hard to stay on task since I listen to music, but sometimes it's in your van. But get back to it. Get your body wash and your loofah and pour it all on there. Make sure you rub it in and get it soaking. Scrub all over your body and all of the cracks and crevices. Then rinse off everything, including your hair. Now since I have quite thick long hair, it takes me a bit. After all that, you want to get your face washed out. And get enough in your hand and rub it all over your face. Most of the time the bottle will tell you what to do, but who reads those? You want to rinse off that after chilling in the shower for a bit just to let it soak into your pores. And give your hair a good last rinse and then turn the shower off. Now since I have a glass shower door, I have to squeegee it. You might have to too. Then start drying off. There you go. How to shower the proper way. Now after you shower, you want to take your toothbrush and rub your finger in it to get all the gunk loosened up and bristles. Take your toothpaste and do a long strip of paste on it. Now pour just a tidbit of water on your toothbrush to get it wet. Now you can start brushing those pearly whites.
Shiny teeth and me.
Now the last thing on my list that people do wrong every day is putting on your shoes. You want to make sure you spread them open enough to get your feet in them. After getting all situated, get those 2 laces and then tie them the proper way. Over, under, tighten, bunny eyelash track. Just slow it down and watch Chillins. Now you know what everyday things you do wrong and how to do it the proper way. Anyways guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to smack that like button as hard as you can. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys all next time.